I haven't lived in Boise long, but when I wake up each morning, I wake up to a text from my neighbor that says, "Go look outside." Not to my surprise, I see the 5 female ducks that live in the nearby creek, awaiting their morning meal. I realize that in those mornings, those dusk and dawn moments in that area of my front yard are my absolute favorite. It's where I find the most peace, serenity, calmness, and joy. It's where I wake up and I recharge. It's where I feel the most grounded. Still in my pajamas, I'll grab a blanket and some tea or coffee and a large handful of some duck feed that I bought on the internet, thinking that it's probably better than stale hamburger buns. My favorite time is early in the morning when the air is still crisp and it hits your face, but you're wrapped up in a big blanket and your hands are still warm from the tea. The air is still crisp and it's quiet enough to hear the creek water trickling. The birds are waking up to a cheerful chirp, and it's still dark enough to where the crickets haven't begun to sleep. It's still a blissful, quiet chaos. This place is special to me because it's like my own little Snow White cottage. There are animals everywhere that feel comfortable enough to come up to you, and you feel a sense of responsibility to take care of them. It has the natural light running water sounds of the creek, an open green yard that you can lay out, you can tent, play games, and barbecue with however many family members or friends you want. I feel a sense of belongingness and comfort here. I feel at peace, I feel regrouped. It gives me times to think in a world of fast time and a lot of noise. I feel grounded and connected to nature, which lately I've been feeling deprived of.